Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, compass, power locks, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.